In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own ID card using Canva, a fantastic online graphic design tool that's perfect for both beginners and pros. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Canva website. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's extremely user-friendly. Feel free to sign up if you haven't already, or log in if you have an account ready to go. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is where all the magic starts. Now, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in ID card. By doing this, you're going to pull up a range of ready-made templates specifically designed for various ID card needs. Canva has an extensive library of templates, so take your time to browse through the options. Choosing a template that suits your style is important, as it provides the foundation for your design. Don't rush, find one that feels right for you. Once you've selected your preferred template, click on it to open. This will bring you into Canva's editing workspace. It's here that you can customize your template to better fit your personal or professional needs. When you're in the workspace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools and options on the left-hand panel. With your template ready, it's time to make it your own. Start by adjusting and editing the text. You might want to first enter your name, as well as tweak the company name if it's applicable. Simply click on the text boxes and type in your information. If you want to change the font, size, or color, those options are available across the top of the workspace. Next, to make your ID card more personalized, you can change the image. Canva makes this super easy. Locate the photo frame on the template and click to select it. Then, drag your image from your files directly into the frame. Alternatively, you can upload your image into Canva's platform by using the upload panel on the left and dragging it from there. Position it and resize it if necessary, ensuring it fits perfectly. As you tweak your ID card, assess its overall design. Play with the layout if needed. You can rotate elements, shift colors, and more. Canva offers a lot of flexibility, so feel free to get creative until your ID card aligns with your vision. After you've made all your modifications and you're satisfied with the end result, it's time to download your masterpiece. Click on the Download button, typically located at the top right of the page. Choose your preferred format. PNG, JPG, or PDF are great options. And allow Canva a moment to process your download. And there you have it, your very own ID card, ready for personal or professional use. Creating with Canva is that simple, and the more you use it, the more skilled you'll become at turning your ideas into designs.